KBMed Safety Push-Button Blood Collection Set is simple and easy to use. Tie the tourniquet on upper arm. Disinfect the injection site. Thread the lure adapter into holder.
Twist the cannula cover when removing it.
Large wing size permits improved positioning during use. Ultra-thin wall increases flow rate 223G and 60% 21G comparing to leading brand. Unique bevel design minimizes the pain. Insert needle in vein by holding wings. Observe for the presence of blood in the chamber. Connected with blood collection tube. Retract the needle by depressing the button. The needle will slide out of the venipuncture site and lock into place. Dispose of all used materials in appropriate container. Welcome to visit our website to learn more about our products.